I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old days before you've left them. Sometimes you don't realise how good life is until you sit back and admire the view. So as we stand here today, I want to take a moment to relish just how lucky we are to know a love like this and to recognise that this is a good old day right now, we're in it. So here's a toast to us and to you all and to the little things and to being in the good old days. Cheers.
Ella and Niall are newly married, very happy couple.
Ella, from the moment I started getting to know you back in 2013, I knew that you were someone special. I fell in love with everything about you in an instant, and that feeling has never been in doubt for me. Of all the choices I've made in life, asking you to marry me is by far the one I've been most sure of. I promise you everything that I am, everything that I have, and everything that I will be, I am all yours, now and always.
To put it simply, you are peace in a person to me. It's a privilege to share my life, my heart, and all of my dreams with you. The future feels like the next beautiful chapter in our story, filled with endless possibilities. And with you by my side, I can't wait to turn the page and see what comes next.
Now time for us to step away. So from us, we wish you all the best and a huge congratulations on such a marvellous day. A toast to the bride and groom.